your friends are holding some item in their head. So you have to tell me what will come after what. Now tell me what is after the pencil? Very good. What is after the duster? Water bottle. Very good. What is after the water bottle? Marker. And what is after the marker? Book. Very good. Clap for yourself. Now Jiva and Prakrit. Prakrit, there is a 2 in this chair. Which number you are going to take from here? 2. Then what will come after 2?
3.
Yes, take and go sit on a chair. Very good. Jiva, you have 19 here. What will come after 19? Take 20 and go sit there. Yes, keep it there and sit. Go. 20. Very good. See, there is a number 3. Which number will come after 3? Which number is that? कौन सा नंबर है बताओ. Okay, go. Keep that 4 on chair. रखो. Yes, good. Aris, now you have 17 here. Which number will come after 17?
188.
Good. Pick it up and keep on a chair. Very good. Go. Jessica, there is a 5 in your chair. What will come after 5? 5 के बाद क्या आएगा जैसिका बताओ. 5 के बाद क्या आएगा? 5 के बाद 6. Pick it up the 6. Then 6 को उठा लो, chair में रखो. Go. Put that 6 on a chair. Very good. Now hers after 12. Which number will come? कौन सा नंबर आएगा पहले बताओ hers. What will come after 12? 13. Okay, keep that 13 on chair. Very good. Go. Arman, you have number 9 on chair. What will come after 9?
10.
Okay, please 1, 0, 10 you pick and keep on chair. Go. Very good. Now, Akshat, there is a 1, 6, 16. What will come after 16?
1, 7, 7.
Yes, take it. Then put on chair. Very good. Go. Ditya, you have 10. Okay, 10 in your chair. What will come after 1, 0, 10? Ditya, 1, 0, 10 के बाद क्या आएगा? What will come after 1, 0, 10? बताओ. 11. Okay, take 1, 1, 11. Okay, keep on chair. Go. Good. Good. Now Ayush, you have 1, 3, 13 on your chair. What will come after 1, 3, 13? Okay. Take 1, 4, 14 and keep on the chair. Very good. Done. 1, 1, 11 in chair. Which number will come after 11? What will come after 11? 1, 1, 11. Just pick the 12 and put in the chair. Go. Okay. Now, Krisab, there is a 16. What will come after 16? Yes, take 1, 7, 17. That is 15. वो 15 है Krisab. Take 17. After 16, 17 will come. Na 1, 7, 17. Good. Ransir, what will come after 1? 1 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1. No. After 1, what will come? No. What will come? 2. Ransir say after 1 is 2. 2. Keep it there. Dakshita, what will come after 18? Please take 19. Yes. 19. Very good. Mayur, there is a 3. After 3, what will come? No, not 1. What will come? ये क्या है? 4. 3 के बाद क्या आएगा? 4. Very good. Aradhya, now you have 15. What will come after 15? Very good. Go. Keep it there. Good. Ekam, now you have 13 on your chair. What will come after 13? 1, 4, 14. Take 14 then. Okay, go. Keep it there. Now, Anik, you have 1, 6, 16. What will come after 16?
17.
Take 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Good. Viraj, now tell me, what will come after 6? 6 के बाद में क्या आएगा? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 के बाद में क्या आएगा? 6. Then go. Pick up the 7. 7 उठा लो. Yes. Put on chair. Go. रखो. Where? No. After the 6. Yes. Very good. Now you have 9. What will come after 9, Jessica? Please take 10 and go. Keep on chair. Very good. Very good. Ducks, after 11, what will come? What is that? Okay, go. Keep it there. Keep on the chair. Sneha, what will come after 7? What is that? 7 के बाद क्या आता है? Okay, go. Keep it there. Aswath, you have 15. What will come after 15?
16.
You take 1, 6, 16. Okay, put on chair. Okay. Upanshu, you have 12. What will come after 12?
30.
Go. Keep it there. Very good. 13. Lakshya, you have 13. What will come after 13? What will come after 13? 1, 3, 13 के बाद क्या आएगा? Then this is the 14. Now please take and keep it there. No, back side. Back side. Go in a back chair. Very good. Now, Shreyas, you have 1, 6, 16. What will come after 16? What is that? Good, go. Anvi, you have 14 on chair. What will come after 14?
1, 5,
Go. Please take. Good. Yes, and keep on back chair. After 14 is 15. Very good.